Welcome travelers to this new trip report. I'm flying Emirates Airbus A380 today from Munich to Dubai in business class. Dropping off my bag was done very quick because I was able to use the business class check-in counters. I arrived here at Munich airport about 3 hours prior to departure, and as I already passed security check, I'm now heading for the Emirates Lounge. The lounge is located in Terminal 1, right in front of gate C8, which is our gate for today. I was the first passenger entering the lounge, so it was completely empty. The lounge offers plenty of seating options, with TVs, a minibar and a coffee machine. There is also a dining area with a very friendly chef. The selection and the quality of food and drinks in the lounge is very good. There is a silent area in the lounge as well if you want to have a rest. My flight will leave soon, so let's head to the gate area. My plane for the day is an 8.5 years old Airbus A380, which still is configured with the old business class product. Thank you. So here I am at my seat 11K and I already made myself comfy. The crew handed out a mask and a hand sanitizer and I already got a glass of champagne as a welcome drink as well. The crew also distributed an amenity kit to every passenger, which I will show you later.
على متن رحلة طيران الإمارات. يرجى وضع الأمتعة بإحكام في الخزائن العلوية. في حال كنت في مقصورة الدرجة الأولى، يرجى استخدام منطقة التخزين المتاحة. في الدرجة الاقتصادية، يمكنك أيضا استخدام الحيز أسفل المقعد الذي أمامك. أثناء الإقلاع
Emirates handed out menu cards for food and drinks, and I already can tell you that the selection is very good. While I was enjoying a Coke from the minibar, the crew served some warm nuts. The table was soon set for dinner. As a starter, there was salmon with caviar, egg and horseradish, as well as a salad with some bread. The crew then served some garlic bread and a glass of champagne. The main course consisted of lamb with rice. This course tasted just as good as the starter, even if the presentation of the main course wasn't that nice. Finally, there was a cheese plate with some more champagne and some sweets. I will try to have a sleep before I show you the entertainment system and the seat in detail. The entertainment system of Emirates, called ICE, is the best one you can find on a plane, in my opinion. There is a large selection of movies and series, as well as music and information. You can even make a phone call. Every seat is equipped with a personal reading lamp. You can find the controller for your monitor underneath. You've got a minibar with water, Coke and soda as well. On the right side of the seat there are two huge storage compartments. Here you have your controls for your window shades. The Amenity Kit is from Bulgaria and contains things like a shaving kit, creams and a comb. It's time for one last glass of champagne and some sweets before we are descending into Dubai International Airport.
Bunch of lights, time machine. Are you being serious right now? What bomb runs up here now? We need to fix this. By this I mean...
Dank, dass Sie mit Emirates geflogen sind. Wir hoffen, Ihnen hat der Flug mit uns gefallen und wir würden uns freuen, Sie bald wieder an Bord begrüßen zu dürfen.
Crew, thank you. Prepare all doors and cross-check.
So here we are at Dubai International Airport, and this was my flight with Emirates in business class. I've got a connection flight to the Seychelles, and I will review this flight as well. My experience flying Emirates A380 was very nice, and I had a really friendly crew. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to support this channel. Stay tuned for my next Emirates video when I fly the Boeing 777.